Regularly cleaning your headphones or earbuds is important to maintain sound quality and prevent the buildup of bacteria. To clean your headphones, start by disconnecting them from any devices and removing the ear pads if possible. Use a damp, lint-free cloth to wipe the surface of the headphones, including the headband and wires. For stubborn dirt, you can use a drop of liquid dish soap and a cloth to gently scrub the affected areas. Disinfect the ear pads, wires, and headband with a 70% rubbing alcohol solution. Use a soapy cotton swab to clean small areas and replace it when it becomes dirty. Pat the headphones dry with a towel and let them air dry for about 30 minutes. For earbuds, make sure they are powered off and remove silicone ear tips to wash them in soapy water. Wipe the earbuds with a damp cloth using a mixture of liquid dish soap and water. Use rubbing alcohol for stubborn dirt and scrape wax from the meshes with a toothpick or earbud cleaning tool. Finally, clean the wireless earbud case with rubbing alcohol.